Hi, my name is Daphne Peleg, and this is week 4's video journal. So this week's video journal asked us in regards to our interest about a mentorship program with professionals that have either a master or doctorate in something, and mentoring those with just a bachelor degree. To be honest, I haven't heard of such a mentorship program, at least within the schools, so it'd be something that I would have to learn a little bit more about and understand kind of who's working with who and how exactly they kind of provide any sort of mentorship. However, with that said, I always feel like any sort of professional mentorship is a great asset to anyone. Not everyone's perfect. No one's perfect, obviously, and can always grow and learn within their own field. So I think it's a great opportunity to be able to work really with anyone who has any more knowledge or skill about the profession that we are in. So it's kind of a mixed answer on my end. Yes, I'm interested in learning more about it. Wouldn't necessarily quite say getting involved right away, but just because I would need to learn more. But yeah, overall, the concept and idea of it is intriguing and something I'd like to learn more about. And if it's a good program and a good fit, I'd be interested in participating.